This is a space inside of the technology arena, this smart process application space that really sits kind of in that zone of unmet needs between the really big stuff that everybody's already taken care of and the really niche specialized stuff.
What if you could look at the life cycle of a single motion picture from post-production to distribution, the release date of that motion picture on a country-by-country basis, and everything that needed to happen between this point and this point that impacts you? That would be pretty cool. You'd be able to instantly see where the consequence of a decision that's made here has an impact here.
We're looking at platforms that exist in that space that are solid, stable, flexible platforms.
We're not trying to replace the transactional systems, the big ERP in an enterprise company, or even your QuickBooks accounting, if you're in a really small business.
The unique piece that we bring is that we've developed a framework, this MCF way, that allows us to achieve those kinds of results with the solutions that we're deploying.
As we go out there and we build these smart process apps, and we build one piece of a puzzle, we're constantly looking at the big picture, like what does your whole puzzle look like? If we're going to build a piece, we'd like to know what the whole picture is. So then we can come back and build another piece and another, and it'll all fit together as one beautiful whole.
This smart process application space is tackling a very common set of problems across a lot of different organizations. And so, hey, it might be medical industry, it might be retail, it might be
anything.
Heavy construction, but guess what? They're all dealing with the same basic issues.
We've worked with very large companies on the operations side and the logistics side and the creative side to get problems solved on a daily basis in a manner that is applicable to a smart process application. Okay? Doesn't that sound like what happens every day in the major motion picture world, where you've got a motion picture that's like a $200 million investment, and your job, your collaboration on that thing is to make sure that it hits 10,000 screens on the same day on a global basis with precision, with accuracy, with quality, with accountability? What if that collaboration was happening in real time on a global basis on portable devices as a consequence of everybody having the same single source of truth? That is powerful. And that's the kind of smart process application that we love to build, because that has an implication on the entire industry. It's that kind of point-to-point process analysis, the iteration of a smart process application that reflects this, and the implementation across a broad enterprise where people are impacted in a positive way. We love doing that.